Alright guys, so I got it to work. Little culprit. This. When my dad was putting it together, he put this extra little piece in, and it blocked it up. So you can see all the ants pouring out of there. They're everywhere. Alright, man, back hurts. It took me 2 tries to get that out. Alright, well, ants are flipping out. I'm just gonna take this with me. Watch the block come out. Dang, look at all of them. Oh, there's mommy. And there it goes. Beautiful. Took forever, but we actually got it. I still got homework to do. Alright guys, see you later. This is Asian Football. Please subscribe, like my videos, spread the word. See you, bye!